Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Munesi Musalia, curator of Fine Places and Spaces. Just taking a boat ride on this beautiful lagoon right here in the World Islands with none other than Manpreet. Gorgeous lady. We're going to be checking out an amazing property here with me, Munesi Musalia, curator of Fine Places and Spaces. Manpreet.
So guys, today we are here in the heart of Europe Island, on the World Island. We are here to check out one of the most luxurious property in Dubai, the Sweden Palace. So Double M, let me show you around.
Can't wait. Wow, walking through an enclosed garden.
You have to actually walk through this forest.
Oh, it's very cool, especially from the heat outside.
Exactly.
To get that cool effect.
Exactly, and the temperature goes down during the days here because of the trees around, and it gives you a Bali and Maldives feel, you know, in Dubai.
It's beautiful.
So we are here at the main entrance of the palace. Let me show you inside now.
Fantastic.
So yeah, look at the door details. Like, you see how heavy the wood is. Like, it's
absolutely luxurious. Big solid door.
Look at the details here, Bentley car paintings. Look at those paintings. And you have a small library when you enter on your right hand side. Your guest, or you want to, you know, sit around, relax, you know, like far from the living area, far from the bedrooms, you want some peace in the corner. This is the nice area to, you know. One
thing that strikes me, Manpreet, when you come into this door, you've got an amazing view of the entire house.
Exactly. Look at this. The moment you walk in, you have two sitting area on the right hand side and left hand side, and you have the view of infinity pool and with island and with the sea view.
Wow, I can't wait.
Let's go.
Let's go. Manpreet, as we walk through this gorgeous property, I can't help but ask, how many floors, how many bedrooms, what are the specs of this house?
So basically, it's a 7-bedroom mansion. It comes with lower ground floor, first floor, royal shisha lounge, I'm going to show you later, and rooftop, where you'll have 360-degree view of the islands, 300 islands. Good part about this mansion is you have private elevator. Let me show you.
This is not a hotel. This is a private house.
Exactly. But you feel like you live in a hotel.
Absolutely beautiful.
Now I'm going to show you something very unique, which you never have seen before. This mansion is fully furnished by Bentley. Look at the quality. Look at the quality of furniture.
Beautiful.
And it comes with private sauna, private gym in the basement, steam room, and the most exciting, which is very unique in Dubai, you are getting your own snow room in Dubai in this villa.
Wow. Well,
So that you don't have to travel anywhere to see the snow. You have the snow room right in your basement.
starting off with our private beach, our private forest,
Exactly.
moving into this amazing house.
Exactly.
All of those amenities.
Exactly.
Stunning.
You get to experience the Bali, Maldives nature feel in Dubai.
Beautiful.
So here we have two set of living area, one on your left hand side, one on your right hand side, looking over amazing, beautiful infinity pool and other islands.
Beautiful view.
Let me show you around.
I like the floor to ceiling glass.
Exactly. You get a lot of sunlight.
Manpreet, we're standing in the middle of the ocean, first. Secondly, there's a jungle here. These trees couldn't just have grown here by themselves. Where did they come from?
To be honest, all these trees and plants were imported all the way from Europe. So these are real trees. It's a real jungle.
An entire jungle was transported from Europe
Exactly.
to this island,
Exactly.
specifically to create this private jungle effect.
That's true.
Unbelievable. Guys,
Definitely.
what more can you say about this house? I've been to master bedrooms, but nothing quite like this, Manpreet.
Exactly.
Look at this.
And it's overlooking other islands and sea view. So on our right hand side, we have a cross-in walk-in. On our left hand side, we have massive bathroom with jacuzzi, private jacuzzi inside.
Wow.
Yeah.
Standing here, I mean, there's so much to take in with this space, Manpreet. I can't help but notice, but we have a bathtub right bang smack in the middle.
Yes, and I'll tell you one thing. This is one-piece marble imported all the way from Europe.
Carved from a single piece of marble.
Look at the finish. Look
Stunning.
at the finish.
Solid, single piece marble
Yeah.
bathroom with your gold taps.
Yeah, very royal look, you know, like you have gold taps and nails.
So it doesn't get more luxurious than this, Manpreet.
Now let me take you to Royal Shisha Lounge on the rooftop.
More royalty than this?
Exactly, let me show you around.
I can't wait to see this.
And look at this, Royal Shisha Lounge.
Our very own private shisha lounge.
Exactly, and you can host private gathering, your functions, and it's for multi-use.
I like the panoramic
Exactly.
180-degree view that you have up
Exactly.
here with the skylight
Exactly.
completely open.
Look at the details, like you have detail of the roof, you know.
I like that dome effect, like a
Exactly.
Fabergé egg,
Exactly.
you know?
And it's tinted from outside, so nobody can from outside
Can see in.
inside. Yeah.
So if you're flying with your chopper, you can't like see us
Exactly.
having our
Nobody
meetings.
Can, no, nobody can see. It's tinted from outside. Now
Right.
let me show you the model.
Perfect. Yes, this will certainly give us an idea of where we are.
Exactly.
So this is the world island.
This is the world. No, this is not the world island. So there are 300 islands.
Okay.
Dubai has built 300 islands, and in the world island, they have built these 6 small islands called Heart of Europe.
Got it.
So this is the mainland. You have 5-star hotels here. Some are ready, some are under construction. There are 10 villas designed by Bentley. All the furniture and interior is designed by Bentley. If you look around, each and every detail, even the furniture, look at these leather walls, you know. These are all designed by Bentley.
Hang on, this wall is fully leather.
Yes, exactly.
I didn't
Exactly.
notice that.
Exactly. These are all leather. Look at your flooring, like, you know, it's all
It
at
doesn't
this.
get more luxurious than
exactly.
this. And I like how it blends into the door as well.
Exactly, and you don't feel like it's leather. You know, it blends with the environment, with the roof. Yeah.
So Manpreet, what for a villa such as this one, how much are we talking about in terms of price?
So there are 10 villa on Sweden Islands, designed by Bentley. Out of 10, 8 are sold out. There are only 2 left, and the starting price is 100 million dirhams.
100 million dirhams.
Yes,
That works out to just a little bit over $36 million.
that's exactly, yeah. But you get the luxury. You don't get this luxury anywhere else in the world. You get your own private beach, your own infinity pool, you have your own jungle, which is very rare in Dubai. You don't get jungle in Dubai.
And I mean, your neighbors, I'm sure,
Exactly.
are the who's who
Exactly.
on the world map.
Exactly. It's all elite place. Your neighbors are elite. You get the crowd here is elite on the islands. Yeah.
Well, on that fantastic note, Manpreet, it has been an absolute pleasure checking out
Likewise.
Sweden Palace with me, Mwanesi Musalia, curator of Fine Places and Spaces. Courtesy of Fine Urban Construction and Interiors, guys, it doesn't get more luxurious and high-end than this. If you're a discerning client, you want to be in the heart of Europe. Manpreet, what else can you tell me about Dubai, living here? What would it take for me, okay, not for me, but for someone who's watching this, what would it take for them to be able to own a property like that?
So basically, like, it's a very unique project. Dubai has built 300 islands, middle of the ocean, and this project is like, these are 6 small islands. It's called Heart of Europe. It represents each city of Europe. and it's the first project coming up with amazing ticket size starting from 1.3 million, goes all the way to 130 million dirhams. So if you don't want to stretch your budget more than like 2-3 millions, you can actually buy a hotel investment property in heart of Europe on the world island, and you will get 8.33% ROI guaranteed for next 12 years.
So what you're saying is that as far as that project is concerned, you've got availability of different types of units for different types of clients, from guys who are looking for some kind of an investment where they can get a return on investment, to those discerning high net worth individuals who are looking to get, let's say, a villa like the one that we saw on Sweden.
Definitely.
Sweden Island.
So potential buyers can choose investment properties starting from 1.3 million, which are purely hotel investment. They can actually use the hotel room for 15 to 14 days a year and free of cost, and the rest of the year the hotel will rent it for them.
And they will make that money.
Exactly,
back.
and they'll be getting guaranteed 8.33%.
Beautiful. And is it all managed under one management company? So if I wanted to purchase the house, or if I wanted to invest in a hotel investment, is it all under one business?
Yes, there is a client group who manage the property, who manage the hotel. They already own island institutions.
Oh, I know that. Eden Island?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, gorgeous
It's
property.
beautiful. That's how they got inspired from
I
there.
see.
And they came up with the new idea of building seashell, like Bali style resort with lots of greenery, jungle in Dubai, which is very rare. You don't get to see any jungle or a lot of greenery in Dubai. As you know, it's a desert area.
I mean, to be able to construct that out in the middle of nowhere from reclaimed land, bring all of the material, the steel, the tiling, the wood, and the landscaping features in terms of the outside jungle, some of the, I mean, what a project.
It is, I'm sure. And you know what amazing thing is, all the plants and all the trees are imported from Europe and Maldives, which cost them lots of money, but they wanted the island to look authentic. Like they wanted to give it a feel, like original feel of Maldives, Bali, like, you know, like, but they didn't think that, oh, we can just put anything.
Sure.
And, you know, like they actually did efforts to bring all the trees and like palm trees and all the way from Europe and Maldives and Bali.
Well, Manpreet, you know, I wouldn't have been able to do this tour without you. I mean, you've been such an amazing help.
It's a pleasure.
Tomorrow, I want to go and check out some of the rest of Dubai, but I want to do it in style. Would you like to join me?
Why not? I would love to.
You heard it here, guys. At least I've managed to get the amazing Manpreet to join me tomorrow on the next tour of our amazing tour here in Dubai. Guys, please stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. It's me, Munessim Musalia, curator of Fine Places and Spaces. I'm going to have something to eat now. See you guys in a bit.